Across southwest Connecticut, communities have been working to make their local roadways safer after some of the deadliest years in state history. We've previously reported on some of these programs and initiatives through our Getting Around series, but we have some updates out of Norwalk, Stamford, Fairfield, and Greenwich. First, Norwalk has adopted a complete streets ordinance. This means that all transportation projects should advance the goals of creating equitable, accessible, and convenient travel options for users of all ages and abilities, and for modes of transportation, including motorists, bicyclists, pedestrians, public transit riders, and more. Second, Stamford advanced its Vision Zero action plan. The draft action plan lays out some steps the city can put into effect to try and reduce crashes at its most dangerous intersections and areas. Officials said the plan has a mix of policy and project recommendations. Some of the policy recommendations include creating a citywide base speed limit of 25 miles per hour on all local roads, and working with the state to reduce speeds on state-owned roadways that run through the city. Some of the project recommendations include adding crosswalks, bike lanes, sidewalks, and curb extensions to some of the city's most dangerous roads for pedestrians. Third, Fairfield is considering launching its own Vision Zero efforts. This week, the Board of Health is set to review a draft Vision Zero pledge. The draft pledge states that the town is committed to maintaining a transportation system that prioritizes safety, efficiency, and accessibility for all users. This pledge formalizes Fairfield's commitment to reach the goal of zero traffic deaths and severe injuries on town streets by 2034. And finally, the Connecticut Department of Transportation is studying how to make I-95 safer in Greenwich and Stamford. The state is currently in the middle of performing a planning and environmental linkages study to analyze ways to improve safety and mobility along the I-95 corridor from the New York state line up to Exit 7 in Stamford and along U.S. Route 1. Residents can get a look at the project at 2 public information meetings this week. Check out Coastal Connecticut Times for more information. Reporting for Coastal Connecticut Times, I'm Kelly Pritens.